Hey everyone! In this video we will show you how to use the camera in VIVE Sync. The camera tool allows you to save snapshots of your meeting that you can share to the room or download later to your PC. First, open the Sync menu and select the camera. With the camera selected, just point at what you want to capture and pull the trigger to take a picture. Snapshots are automatically saved to the cloud, but can also be opened directly in the room by clicking the Share to Room button. The Options menu allows you to zoom in and out, as well as switch to a selfie view. To retrieve your photos, click on the link in your meeting invite and log in to see the meeting info page. Just click the download button to retrieve your meeting files, either to your computer or to a linked cloud account. I think that's it. Enjoy taking pictures in VIVE Sync.